Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are okay and doing great. Let's start with the video. In this video, we are going to discuss linear equations and then we are going to solve linear equations. For that, we need to know first what are linear equations. A linear equation in one unknown variable x is an equation of the form ax plus b equals to 0, where a belongs to R and a is not equal to 0. सो लीनियर इक्वेशन वो इक्वेशन होती है जिसमें आपके पास जो वेरिएबल की डिग्री है वो 1 हो. सो हेयर इफ़ यू सी x raised to power 1 is there. So this means it is a linear equation. Hence it is linear equation in one variable. Why? Because only x variable is given here. And here the condition is that a belongs to R. That means a and b can be any real number. And the condition on a is that a can never be equal to 0. So we need to learn this general form of linear equation, that is ax plus b equals to 0. Let's solve one question regarding linear equation. So here if you see, this is a linear equation in one unknown variable which is x, and here the power of x is 1, so this is a linear equation. Let's solve this equation. For solving the equation, we have to find out the variable of x which is involved in the equation. So when we are going to have fractions in the equation, we are going to remove the denominators. And how we are going to remove the denominators? We multiply the whole equation by the LCM. So first let's take what is the LCM. Here nothing is there in the denominator, this means 1 is there. So we are going to take the LCM of the denominator, which is 2, 3 and 6. So let's take the LCM by this method. So if you see, we are having the LCM of 2, 3 and 6 is 6. So we are going to multiply the whole equation by 6. Multiplying the whole equation by 6 means you have to multiply each term of the equation by 6. So that why we are multiplying the equation by LCM? So that we can get rid of these denominators. Now let's cancel out the terms. 3 1 times 3, 3 2 times 6. Similarly 2 3 times 6 and 6 and 6 will get cancelled. Now we'll write down the remaining terms. 2 2 times 4x minus 3x. Here we'll have 6x plus 1. Now we'll add or subtract, or you can say we'll solve the same like similar terms. 4x minus 3x is similar terms. So you'll have x from here and 6x plus 1 will write as it is. So here we can say we will move x towards this side and 1 towards this side. It will become minus 1 and it will become 6x minus x. So it will become 5x. Since we are finding out the value of x only, so we don't need 5 over here. So we will take 5 to the other side and it will get divided by minus 1. So you are left with x equals to minus 1 by 5. So now what we are going to do with this value, we'll verify the answer by replacing the variable in the original expression. So we'll do the checking process. So checking means कि हमने जो x की value निकाली है, that we are going to insert in the original equation. Let's write down the original equation so that it will be easy for you to understand how we are inserting the value of x. So instead of x here, we are going to insert minus 1 by 5. So we'll see whether this value of x satisfies the given equation or not. So you see, instead of x, I am inserting its value minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6. Now we'll solve the left hand side and right hand side separately, and we'll see whether the two sides are equal or not. So it becomes minus 2 by 15, minus into minus plus 1 by 10. So what we have done, we have just opened up the brackets. And on the right hand side, the LCM of 6 and 5 will be 30. So it will become minus 5 6 times 30. Ye 5 into 6. 5 6 times 30 and 6 1 times is 6. Similarly, 6 5 times is 30 and 5 1 times is 5. Here we are having LCM of 15 and 10 as 30. So here we'll write as numerator as 15, 2 times 30. So this 2 will get multiplied by this 2, will become minus 4. And then 10, 3 times 30. So this 3 will get multiplied by this 1. So we'll get 3. Here we have minus 1 by 30. And from the left hand side, if you see, it is also minus 1 by 30. So if you see, we have left hand side equals to right hand side. So now we'll write the solution set, and the solution set will be that value for which it has satisfied the given equation. So solution set will be, it was the value minus 1 by 5 for which we have checked the given equation. Hope you understand the sum. Let's move forward to one more question. Let me write it down for you. The second part, x minus 3 by 3 and minus x by 2 is equal to minus 1. Right? So again we got the fraction, so we'll remove the denominators. So we'll take the LCM of the denominators, here 3 and 2, so 6 is the LCM. So we'll write multiply equation by LCM, and here the LCM is 6. So we'll multiply the whole equation by 6, means we are multiplying each term of the equation by 6. Why we are multiplying it? So that we can get rid of these denominators. So we'll do the cancellation process. 3 ones are 3, 3 2 times 6, 1 times 2, 2 3 times 6. Now we'll write down the remaining terms. 2 into x minus 3, and here we have 3 into x minus 2, and even you can write directly, you can solve the bracket directly. Now here we are going to remove the brackets, 2x minus 6, and here we have 3 minus 3x minus plus 6 is equal to minus 6. Now plus 6 and minus 6 will get cancelled, and you are left with 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 6. You can even write this directly. Minus 6 is equal to minus 6, and we get just x is equal to 6. Now we are going to do the checking process. We will verify this value of x by inserting the same value in the given equation. So let's do the checking process. So let me write down the question. X minus 3 over 3 and x minus 2 over 2 equals minus 1. So instead of x, now we'll insert 6. 6 minus 3 over 3. Here 6 minus 2 over 2 is equal to minus 1. 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 over 3. 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 over 2. And let's see, while solving the left hand side, we'll get minus 1 or not. So it will get cancelled. We have we have 1, and it will get cancelled. We have 2. So yes, we got minus 1 equals to minus 1. So left hand side equals to right hand side. So now we'll write down the solution set. So solution set at this value has satisfied the given equation. So this value has become now the solution. So a solution to a linear equation is any value that makes the given statement as true statement. So I hope you understand this sum. This is how we are going to solve the linear equation, means we are finding out the value of the variable that is involved, and in these two questions the value of the variable was x, right? Thank you so very much. Hope you understand the sum. Allah Hafiz.